What's up, kaARTIST? Oh, weekly feed. So let's get started. Wait, in 3, 2, 1. What's up, kaARTIST? Welcome back to the channel. Our channel.
Right.
Today we're gonna make a short video. My friend Deoff gave me a microphone.
So this is the
He ordered
microphone
it online and it was so thank you so much. And this is it. So we're gonna open this one.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
Makes me is very excited. So
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is it. And it is portable. It's the clip that you're gonna put in your clothes. And
We're gonna do a DIY furry windshield for the microphone.
we're gonna show you how we do it. And then we're gonna test this with using microphone
And
using-
furry windshield
and
microphone.
without using microphone.
Yeah,
So
so-
without further ado, let's get started. This the basic that we're gonna use is this furry windshield. I bought this this is a keychain. So if you have a furry, you can use anything. So this one, we're gonna wrap this here. We're gonna wrap here. So let's start. So we're gonna use this one instead of wow, yay. Hold this inside the as we move it. Make the clip outside and then put this. You see the wings. There you have it. Why furry windshield microphone. So let's gonna try this one. So kaARTIST, this is the DIY furry windshield microphone that I made. Test mic. So what's up, kaARTIST? My name is Faith. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, we're using a DIY furry windshield. Hello guys. So you heard my voice. So tell me what's your reaction of this. So I bet this is a good one to record a voice because the noise will gonna be filtered.
This one we're gonna try without the furry and just the microphone. We're gonna use the
Hello. What's up, kaARTIST? My name is Faith. Welcome back to my channel. And we are using a microphone, a simply basic microphone. So, hello world. And what's up? So guys, let me know what you think about this recording a voice through microphone. But for me, this is very useful using the furry and using this microphone.
So that's it. So what's up, kaARTIST? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the same as my introduction. So let me know what you think.
So that's it, kaARTIST. Thank you for watching. And my twin is very tired, but actually we're using a clone effect on Filmora 9. Thank you to my friend Deoff for giving me this microphone. And if you like this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below to update you to my newest video. So that's it, kaARTIST. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!